I am Vijaya Krishnan from the Sanctum Natural Birth Center, and I will be attending the Better Birthing Experience Conference in Hyderabad in November. I will be talking about vaginal birth after cesarean section, the evidence-based research about the safety of TOLAC, as well as data that support practices that enhance both the safety and the success of VBAC. I'll also be touching upon information about access to VBAC and how to inform parents about, in an unbiased manner, about their choices regarding VBAC so that they can have an empowered and safe and happy birthing experience. See you all there.